Abigail Kurowski has been an indoor plant enthusiast for over 15 years. She was lucky enough to have a mom that had a beautiful veggie garden as well as many indoor plants. And when she got her first home with her husband 20 years ago, she quickly went from 5 to 50 indoor plants. She describes her style as boho, earthy, and organic, and she loves having indoor plants in her home because it helps make a happy and healthy environment for her family. One of her favorite plants by far is the Fiddle Leaf Fig because it's so beautiful, tall, and the leaves are just so gorgeous. Another plant that she loves to decorate with is hoyas and pothos because they have such beautiful trailings and look lovely on shelves or hanging from the ceiling in a pot. She's from North Carolina and absolutely loves using plants to style in her home. If you have a home that you'd love to be featured and have really beautiful layout of your plants, please let us know in the comments below or send us a message. We'd love to feature your home and your plants. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what we put out next. Thanks so much.